parting like this one give you so much options right in this area or wherever the free parting is to part it wherever you want because you're free. But you might be asking yourself,
when I put it on, it doesn't look free. It looks weird.
This video is going to show you how to make a free parting wig look like you want it to look. So if that is what you would like to see, let's get to it. So this is a parting space, but you can see it is sort of free parting here. 2 combs in the front set very wide, comb in the back, adjustable straps. Definitely a number 4 root at the top. These type of wigs, I feel like you have to find where you want the part and then sort of set it down with heat. Okay, so let's get on and see what we're talking about. Now this is, oh, hi. This is definitely just reminds me of a latte. But I feel like sometimes when it's like a 13 by 4, there's places where there's more space and less. Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay, this is where I'm gonna set it down, so let me do that and then I'll be back with ya. On my camera right now is at 11 minutes, so I've been trying to include that because I obviously edit certain things out, but I want you to know like it took me about 10 minutes or so to get this together. I did sort of like a C-shaped like asymmetrical part with this just because I feel like it looks way realistic that way.